Hey guys, it's Jamie from Tastemade, and I decided to do another food challenge, and this time I'm gonna eat tacos for 7 days. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So today I decided to start with Taco Bell. Alright, this is the dressed egg taco. Looks good. There's egg as a taco shell. That's an egg right there, and then they've just mashed all the breakfast goodness in there. Very innovative. All right, cheers. Meal 2, day 1, I got Takaya Organica. I think that's how it's pronounced. Here we go. I'm starting off with chicken. You guys, I love tacos. This is so good. This is gonna be a breeze. So I just bit into something and it's really spicy. Fridays, meat and drinks. And what's better than margaritas with tacos? Alright guys, it's day 2. I just woke up. I don't want to go out and get breakfast, so I have leftovers from yesterday. I'm just gonna eat it because I'm hungry. Definitely not as good as yesterday. I just drove an hour from Santa Monica, West LA to East LA to go to this Filipino food festival and get Filipino tacos. But guess what? Everywhere's run out of food. They're giving people samples of half open drinks. I just got this and it's half open. Yay? So, plan B is Bubba Gums. Yes. Oh, good. Day 2, meal 3, Taco Bell. So it's late at night and I'm kind of hungry again, and I'm in this weird city called Springfield. There's this lovely truck, Bumblebee Man's Tacos, so let's try them. Not bad, Springfield. Hey guys, so it's day 3 and today I'm out to Sunday brunch to celebrate my mom's birthday. Mom, happy birthday! She's vegetarian, so today we are eating vegetarian tacos. These are carnitas tacos, but here's the catch. They're made out of jackfruit. Here we go, carnitas. Ooh, that's hot. That's so hot. Carnitas, it's so hot. Oh wow. So good. So I just got back from brunch with my family and I'm hungry again. So I'm gonna finish up the leftovers of this taco. Current mood, not sick of tacos. I'm not feeling Mexican, so I went to look up places that have different kinds of tacos, and I found this restaurant that serves poke tacos. Taco shapes, right? Very elegant. That was intentional. So I just woke up and showered. It's Monday. I don't want to eat tacos. Found a place called Groundworks Coffee. It's a local coffee shop near me. So I just got my breakfast tacos. They look pretty yummy, but I'm still not super stoked to eat them. I feel so full and like not ready for the day right now. Current mood. 2:45 p.m. Lunchtime. Let's do this. I'm so hungry. All right, you guys. First up is tongue. Partnership. Up next is nopal, aka cactus tacos. Check this out. It jiggles. Nope. This is adobada. Check this out. Oh my god, it's just grease. to dinner, day 4. I'm not excited. We got some steak, some corn, a little quail egg action.
Don't you wish you could have some of this?
No. It's a taco. Day 5, breakfast. Benny's Tacos. I'm feeling better than yesterday though. I think yesterday I just had a whiny moment and it was not cute. I got breakfast tacos, obviously. These look good.
They actually do.
I want to eat the chips.
What, maybe put them on the side and then eat them, but don't show them on the camera. Oh, I mean...
I have pride. Actually, no, I don't, because I'm doing this. It's good. Taco number 2. Here we go. Alright, day 5, lunch. Carne asada tacos. Classic tacos are the best tacos. You don't need tons of flavor and garnish. You just need corn tortillas, some meat, onions, cilantro, and salsa, and you're set. So I found a cute little restaurant in Venice called Cerviteca. We have barbacoa and fish tacos. And there's no lighting at the restaurant. You make your own lighting. Cheers. Whoa. That's so good. Wow. Today is the start of day 6. I'm not feeling it, but I don't hate my life. I thought this would be a breeze because it's tacos, there's tons of variety, but I think it's just all the meat and tortillas that are making me just feel blah. They didn't really have breakfast tacos, so it's just potatoes in a taco.
Oh, that's so funny.
Do you want some tacos? Do you want some tacos?
I'm starving.
Would you like a taco?
That's a lot of cheese.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so good.
So it's now 3:30 and I finally got lunch and I was supposed to get these like cool tacos, but they gave me 2 of the same taco. That's not panko crusted avocado and spicy mayo, bro.
You got gypped.
I got gypped.
We have a list of wants.
Oh.
Yeah, you mean, honestly, anything. People just like to...
We just finished a workout and I got some cool people to get tacos with me. Tonight we're doing street tacos. Let's go. Cheers! These tacos are actually really good. They might be my favorite as of date. Ooh, that's hot. I'm crying. Look at this. I gave her my taco. Is it spicy? Like, not at all. So it's my last day for breakfast and I got vegan tacos this morning, but look at this. It's a whole pizza situation.
This is the best pizza in town, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
The best pizza in town?
Yeah.
It's like a giant pile of mush. Very healthy tasting for sure.
I don't know what this is, but this is not a taco.
Do people eat that? I don't know. Oh.
We have catered team lunch today, and what are the chances that it's Mexican food? I just got 1 taco because I'm seriously not hungry. Finally made it to, I don't think you can really see it, Petty Cash. So it's a really cool hip taco place in, I think, Los Angeles, West Hollywood-ish area. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. All right, let's do this. Last meal, baby. I'm so excited. Carne asada, pastor taco, fish taco. Cheers. So good. That's octopus. Not seafoody at all, but you can have that chewy texture of octopus. Very good. That is a wrap on the taco challenge. We just ate the fanciest tacos of the entire week.
No, one more.
Wait, shh, It's a surprise. I wanted to end my challenge on a cool, awesome note of eating a Choco Taco because I've never had a Choco Taco. I called and they said they had Choco Tacos, but they don't have Choco Tacos. Now I've been to 2 different places and they both don't have Choco Tacos. I'm gonna end my challenge on a sad note. Loser. This is Jamie and I've just done the taco challenge. I'm out. Thanks for joining me on my taco adventure. Leave us a comment down below to let us know what other challenges you'd guys like to see, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any other videos. Bye guys.